Intaba Yetafile iwela phakathi kobukumkani beendawo ezikhula iintyatyambo eKapa. Nangona iyeyona incinci, ikwayeyona ityebileyo ekukhuliseni iintlobo ezintandathu zeentyatyambo eziphambili emhlabeni. Ukunyuka intaba yenye yezinto ezithandwayo kakhulu ngabantu ngoku. Kodwa apho kukho abantu, kukho inkunkuma. Uluntu lumenyiwe ukuba luncedise ekubuyiseleni le ntaba kwisimo sayo esicocekileyo.
Last year we were in lockdown and we got, as the cableway, we got some complaints about how dirty the mountain was. And we feel that as the city of Cape Town, as something as iconic as the mountain, it needs to be protected and looked after by us. So that's why we kind of started this initiative, because we want people, the city, to look after its iconic landmark.
Umntu ngamnye ebenikwe iplastiki yokuchola ubumdaka. Isikolo samabanga phezulu kule ngingqi baze nabafundi, ootitshala kunye nabazali ukuzokucoca apha kule ntaba.
We filled bags and bags of litter, and those who collected the litter, there was loads and loads of people ahead of them. So there was a lot of litter on the mountain, and it did surprise us. It was quite disappointing. But yeah, with more initiatives like this, we can keep our mountain clean.
We're leaving this planet behind when we go. So it's not only about us, and this is what we try to teach our kids. It's not about me, it's about the community, it's about everybody who's coming after us, and it's important.
Abanyuki bentaba bavakalisa ukungaxoli yindlela engcole ngayo le ntaba.
If you use the mountain, all your rubbish, all the cool things that you use, take it, put it in your bag, discard it in the bin. The mountain is here for all of us to use, and we all want a beautiful mountain.
Neleziko losasazo le SABC libe negalelo ekucoceni kule ntaba.
This is such a great way for us to give back to, Cape Town. During lockdown, a lot of us got used to hiking, and this is the time that you now give back. So taking a hike doesn't just mean like the euphemism like gwegel. No, it's about going and connecting with nature. But while you're connecting with nature, can we also clean up?
Kukho ithemba lokuba olu suku lo-take a hike luza kuvuselela abantu ukuba bagcine iindawo ezibangqongileyo zicocekile.